Hello everyone, this is the 52-inch Hunter Stratford ceiling fan. That's a turn on light. Got this light in there. Their daddy went to somebody's store and gets this light for your fans in here. Alright, turn it on. And make it low anything. This one to turn the lights off. Hunter Stratford, so modern. And Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze is not modern. Harbor Breeze Palm Breezes went to Rose's house. What? Back porch and front porch, what? Man, white fan doesn't go to porches. They're too ugly. Yeah, too ugly. And in this place, and turn it off. Okay. This one, lightning. Turn it off. Thanks for watching with us.